Hey everyone, me again. So, we're coming at you live, not live, but recording from my desk area. Yes, this is my desk area, the beanbag chair, which is right there. I had to turn on the big light for the good lighting. So, I went shopping, as one does, and it's Christmas time. And I don't know about a lot of y'all, but me personally, I have been in such a big Christmas spirit this year. Like, Halloween was so fun, but this year I am very much feeling Christmas. Like, I have not felt this happy and excited about Christmas since like probably before I turned 15. And I'm 22 now, so. And I really think it's just because of the fact that my boyfriend and I have an apartment together. We have 3 kitties. I was gonna show you one of them, but none of them are near me right now. So, but we have 3 kitties, and we basically have our own little family here at home. And we could have people come over and whatever. Like you saw in the last video, I had people come over for Friendsgiving. Well, you only saw at the end of the video, but anyways, yeah, so I'm in a Christmas spirit, and with that, I want to obviously buy stuff, buy gifts, decorate the apartment. Now, it's 2024. We have the worst inflation here in the United States of America, and a lot of the stuff you want to decorate with, you know, especially as someone who is an Amazon bandit like myself. Don't scratch that, baby. Someone who loves Amazon, someone who buys off Amazon, buys necessities off Amazon, it gets pretty pricey. Looking at the decorations, stuff was pretty expensive. A stocking was fucking $12. I don't think a stocking should be $12. A little stocking, and it could be a cheap material. You honestly never know. But for some people, that's nothing. But, excuse me, for someone like me, in, you know, working class, you know, this apartment is, we go half and half in this apartment. You know, I got a budget. I gotta budget myself. So, you know, as someone who is working class, works minimum wage job, it's kind of hard for me to do that, buy regular decorations that are pretty pricey and takes a toll on my budget and my expenses, right? Especially with necessities. So I had this last minute idea because I was on the bus I just got back actually from buying some groceries, you know, making dinner tonight, and also getting stuff for the cats, you know, cat food, whatever. So I had this amazing idea. I went to Dollar Tree after that, and I was like, okay, let me see what I can do about decorations, because Dollar Tree has stuff, of course, right? Like, it might not be the most quality stuff that people, especially if you're materialistic, let's be real, especially if you're materialistic, it's not what people go for, I guess. But if you're creative enough, you'll do it. So luckily I am creative enough, and I'm gonna freaking do it. Inflation is not gonna stop me from having the Christmas I want to have, from having a decorated home. So as I do, I'm gonna bargain, and I'm gonna budget the whole Christmas. This whole Christmas, I want to have a good Christmas. I don't know. I love, my favorite part of Christmas is decorating. I mean, in general, I love decorating. Who doesn't, right? Like, hello. But I mean, unless you're boring. But that is my favorite part of the holidays. Decorating the Christmas tree, decorating your home. At Dollar Tree, I bought 2 things so far, but I'm gonna be filming over time of the stuff that I get, so y'all can see how I DIY and budget for Christmas. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree and bought these bows. Like I said, not expensive quality, duh, right? I bought 2 of these bows, but they're pretty cute. I think they're pretty cute. You would either probably put this on a tree or on, you know, anywhere. But we're going to put these on our doors. So we have a front door and a back door. And so what I'm going to do is put one of these on the front and put one of these in the back. And we're going to use adhesive tape. I'm going to show y'all what that looks like right now. So this right here is adhesive tape. We're going to use this so this really sticks on. These don't really have anything to stick on. This is more like a zip tie. Not a zip tie, but like, basically you tie it, right? So where would I put it? I don't know. So that's why we're using tape. And we're using this because we want it to last. And obviously, our doors are not like outside, like somewhat, but it obviously goes out to our apartment, so or outside of our apartment. So we really want it to stick on. I'm gonna show y'all that right now, me doing the process. So yeah. Okay, so pretty much my plan is I want to put this like right up on the door up here. I don't have anywhere to put y'all, but put it on like this part of my door so people see it when they come in through the back door, because typically people come in through the back door anyways. So just because it's more easily accessible, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me go ahead and get the adhesive tape, and then we're gonna tape this on. All right, y'all, so I use adhesive tape to put this on my door. As you can see, it's actually really pretty. It looks like it makes the little door look like a present, kind of, just because how my door is. I don't know, I think it's cute. But yeah, I didn't feel myself setting it up because my fridge is right here, so it was kind of hard to find somewhere to put my phone. But this is it. I think it looks cute. I'm hoping the adhesive tape stays on though, like throughout the season. I think it will. This tape is pretty sturdy. It's pretty strong, so I think it will stay on throughout, you know, the Christmas season, you know, whenever I decide to take this down. But yeah, I think this looks so pretty on our door. I'm not gonna go that way just because like it does lead to outside. There's a screen door here, but I'm just not trying to dox myself. So yeah, but I think this looks really cute. So right now I'm gonna film myself doing the other door. So yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna use this bow on the other door. I have to put my cats away just because that one has the door I just showed you. This, oh my god, that one has a screen door. So I wasn't really worried about my cats like running out, but the other door leads to downstairs in the mailroom. So I gotta put all of them away so they didn't run the fuck out. Okay, so I ended up doing the exact same thing to my front door. I can't show my whole door just because my apartment number is on top, so I can't show you that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty. I think it's so freaking pretty on the front door. So this is the first set of decorations, is the door decorations, and it looks so freaking cute. and I just cannot wait to do more. So yeah, this is number one. These were $1.25. Tap into getting these and some good adhesive tape, and you have a full door decoration right here. It is so cute, so glad about that. And I didn't want to show it until we got it. So we got this last week. We've had it set up for like the week, and this is our tree in question. It's a cat tree. That's why I said it would benefit both, you know, us humans and the cats. So obviously they got the little hidey spaces. There's obviously like a toy in here already. They got this little thing. It's just so cute. Like, they love to go on the bottom so far. Like, we've had this for a week, and they've just loved like really just going in the bottom one. But this is our Christmas tree. Since a real one just wouldn't work, just because like it would probably be like on the floor like every fucking night. So that's our tree. We're gonna get more decorations soon, by the way. Okay, so we also went to Dollar Tree just now, and we got these mini stockings. I wanted bigger ones, but honestly I didn't mind these either. I don't know, the mini ones are kind of cute. I got 6, so one comes with 2 each. So what we're gonna do is use these, and then my boyfriend has a rhinestone like machine. I don't know what it is, but like stuff to put something to put rhinestones on. So my plan is we're gonna put our initials, and then like we could put whatever little symbol we want. So I put a K and then a heart, and then I for Isaac, and like what symbol he wants, and then we could do the cats, and then we could do like a paw print. Oh my god, that'd be so cute. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna record the process and me hanging it and shit. So yeah. Okay, so pretty much this is a process. I'm using these rhinestones, and I'm using this little like sort of like gun, not a gun, sort of like glue gun, and I'm pressing it on there. So okay, so this is the final result. I use adhesive tape once again, and this is it. It's me, Isaac, Drake, Mallory, Sumo. It's so cute. So yep, and it's right next to the Christmas tree. I love it. It's all coming together, right? It's like a week later, and I went to Hobby Lobby last night. It's December 13th, by the way. I think I filmed this like the beginning of December, but these are the lights that I got, and I want to hang them around our living room so we don't have to use this lamp. Like for the season, I want to use these lights, or at least for the rest of the season, because like there's like what, only 12 days till Christmas. But yeah, so I want to hang these up. I'll film myself doing that a little later, but yeah, these are the lights. I didn't think they were gonna be huge. Let me show y'all. These are like huge. I thought they were gonna be like the teeny ones, but this is fine too. I like it. But yeah, I want to hang that up around our living room situation type shit. So yeah, I'll record myself doing that in a bit. By the way, as to the little stocking stuffers I made for the kitties, it's literally these like, let me pull one out. It's these squeezable puree treats, 2 each. It came with 6, so I put 2 in this one, 2 in this one, 2 in this one for all 3 of them. This is the final result. So cute. Christmas lights reveal. And then this is the whole set complete. It's December 14th. Yes, December 14th. 11 days till Christmas. And this is the decorated corner. Ignore the guitar and vacuum. That's just like, we have it there. But we wanted to do a little something for Christmas season. And let me step back a little more. This is what we have. Yay! And this plug came in handy because I feel like if I would have put it through that outlet, the cats would have messed this up. So this is perfect. I know this wasn't a huge vlog, but I just wanted to do a little something for the month of December, Christmas wise. So yeah, we got the little tree, the stockings, and the lights. And I want to be, for the rest of the season, I want to use this. I want to use this instead of our like main lamp, you know, for festivities and stuff. So yeah, but that is all. But that is it for the video. Just wanted to do a little something for the like month of December, Christmas time, whatever. I want to do a vlog where you come with me, like or you know, you see what I do like for fun in my life and stuff like that. So that is it. You want to say bye, Isaac? Okay. All right, but thank you for watching and supporting. What do you have to say?
Like and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe for more. Yeah, stay tuned for more content.
Sumo wants to be in the vlog. He just screamed. I didn't film that. All right, bye.